you guys are thinking of doing sanding for some paint project, furniture or woodworking in your house, you might want to check out this video so that you don't get dust everywhere. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Let's go! Setup. Right here, I have a Makita sander. And this sander comes with a vacuum attachment. This is not actually a vacuum attachment. It attaches to a dust bag. I also have this vacuum cleaner that I got from Giant, which is right across the road. This is a power pack wet and dry vacuum cleaner. But if you've done much sanding, you realize that the dust gets inside and kind of clogs up the motor. And that's why you need something like this. It's a vortex dust separator. And what it does is it separates the dust from the air before the air goes into your vacuum cleaner, preventing the dust from clogging up the filter inside here. So what I've done is I've taken a chair, let me put this away. This is one of the vacuum tubes. I kind of zip tied it to the end of that chair leg right there. And this sits up here. This part is actually a laundry hose. Okay? That I got from the hardware store right across the road. I can ask for a laundry extension hose. It's a laundry drainage hose. And this conveniently fits one of these connectors. What you want to do is bring your sander and your hose down to the plumbing store and have a fit. I'm sure a guy there can help you, and they kind of just slide into each other. I put a bit of tape to make sure the joint is good. Then this just sits here like that. This is my own shop vac. And just like that, the sanding dust, right, when I turn this on, goes into the dust separator before it goes into the vacuum cleaner. Dust that would have otherwise ended up inside my house. The filter is still unclogged. It looks pretty good. And all that dust from your project will not be all over your house. So if you like that tip, do subscribe. I mean, I try to put out videos as often as I can. But if you want to, keep in touch, drop me a message, leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Take care.